Hey guys, it's Dave from Genuine Tea in Toronto. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cold brew iced tea. So all you do is 1 teaspoon of tea. We did Organic Dragonwell from Zhejiang Province, Westlake region. Steep it overnight in the fridge, 1 teaspoon per cup of water. Very, very easy recipe. And the great thing about doing cold brew is you don't extract any tannins, so you get a really nice smooth flavor. So with the cold brew, all you want to do is just add a little bit of ice if you want, and then just top it up in your cup. And if you want to be really fancy, you can add a little bit of lemon juice as well, and a nice little wine. There you have it, cold brew iced tea, simple as.